Hey guys, it's Chelsea. Today I'm going to talk to you about some of your Facebook marketing. And this tutorial is mainly to show you how to schedule a week worth of Facebook posts in 15 minutes or less. So what I'm finding is that although that I as your marketing manager can post mortgage related items and post and flyers and things like that for you guys every day of the week till I'm blue in the face. Honestly, what people are wanting to see is something that's more personal to you and that's engaging, some things that inspire you, and just things that are close to your heart. So, I'll be honest, I've been doing a lot of research on top producers in the mortgage field, and I know you guys have seen some of those emails. And honestly, they do all of the bomb videos, and they do all of the mortgage posts and things that I encourage you guys to do. But the thing that they get the most likes, the most attention, the most following on are posts that have to do with things that are consistent with who they are. For instance, their families, their spouses, that's part of their family, I know, but sometimes specifically their spouses and their children, funny stories about their kids, their favorite football team, funny memes about just anything, but a lot of times it is about sports, and honestly just things that inspire them. So anyways, just keep that in mind. I'm going to show you guys some examples today on what you can post on Facebook that would probably go over well with your crowd and get you a lot of attention. So a lot of the good kind of attention. So anyways, first, as you're opening this email and probably finding this tutorial, you'll also be able to see this chart right here, which explains the highest times of engagement during each day of the week. So obviously it starts from 12 a.m. and goes all the way up till 11 p.m. at night. And then over here you have the days of the week. And so when you're scheduling, when you want these posts to go out, you can look on here and see that the darkest times, it's going to be the most engaging time that people log on to Facebook. And so that's when you'll kind of base when you would want those posts to go up off of. So I'm going to go ahead and get started because I have a couple of posts and I want to get in as many as possible. So I'm going to use Preston's page and pick on him a little since I post for Preston and I have access to his page. So you're going to go up here once you log into your Facebook, as you go to Publishing Tools, and over here to the side you'll see Scheduled Post. Funny story, I just set these up a minute ago and for some reason like my computer just wanted to shut down. So here's one that I set up. This is an example of something you can do, and I just do a picture, like a sweet picture of you and your kids. I put, "She calls me daddy. I'm so blessed to have this sweet princess in my life." And you might even put like, oh, I don't know what just happened there. I forgot you have to push the edit button first. So you can go up here and edit your post. And you can put like, if you ever want to go back and change anything before the post goes out, and just put like #Haven. I believe that's Preston's daughter's name. And anyways, and so I'll just go back to saving that post as it is. So there's that. And then I'm going to go back to the other posts that I have on the schedule. Here we go. And if you ever want to, which I'll do this after I get done, is I can go back and delete these posts since I'm just making these up for Preston, is that you can just go down here and you can delete it. You can backdate it. You can make stuff look like that was on your page like months before, weeks before. It's really interesting. You can reschedule it, and then you can just go ahead and publish it right then and there. So if you don't want to wait any longer, you can do that. So anyways, so here's another one I did. You can find mortgage memes on Google, and this is one that I found. I don't know if y'all remember this kid. He was like begging his mom in some video for like a sucker or candy or something. And so anyways, they came up with this meme that says, "Listen, Linda, listen. I can't show you houses until you speak to a mortgage lender." So on here I just put, "Listen, give me a call to get pre-qualified." It says, "I would love to help you with the loan process." And then usually I put like #Heist Mortgage Team, and then I just include y'all's contact information on there. So anyways, that is another post that I made for Preston. So anyways, let me go back here. And then, so I'm going to show you guys how to create them in the first place, though. So you just go up here to create, and then you go, and I went ahead and found some stuff on that I think Preston would find funny, because I know him and his wife, so I found some pretty funny stuff to post here. Let's see. Here we go. I know that Preston's a Clemson fan, so maybe like the Clemson's not doing very hot this year. So it's Stevie Wonder saying Clemson sure looks good this year. I'm gonna put, you got that right, Stevie. Maybe next year will be our year. I'm a Vols fan, so I've memorized these like maybe next year speeches like a lot, so I should know exactly what to say that's even more clever than this, but this is all I got for right now. But anyways, I'm sure Clemson is doing a ton better than the Vols are. I'm not even able to keep up. So anyways, and you can obviously add in any of your emojis or anything that's funny right here. So anyway, so if you want to just add a little something up here, and then like I said, post a funny meme, then you go into share, and then we're going to schedule it. So this is the most important part. I've already scheduled those other ones for Monday and Tuesday of next week, and you want something to be going out every day. So we're going to do Wednesday, and then like I said, you're just going to go back to this chart and just follow it over and just see when the most engagement on Wednesday is happening. And you can see it's at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 2 o'clock. From what I understand, 2 o'clock on Wednesdays is the most busy that Facebook gets. So I'm sure it has something to do with that hump day thing, like people are just trying to get through the week, maybe trying to get some motivation or find a reason to be distracted. Regardless, so you can just choose the day that you want and the time, and then you just press schedule. And then you go to schedule post. And then for some reason, sometimes it makes you do it twice. I don't know why that is, but it has done this to me before. So let me see. And then schedule, and then here we go. And it's going to pop up there with the rest of those posts that we just made. All right, awesome. And so I'm going to do just a few more. So we have one that's like a sweet little family thing, and then another post that's like a mortgage meme, another post that's a football, like a funny football meme. So you're not just like a suit, guys. You're not just somebody who's doing mortgages all the time. You're a person, and people love to see people just being real. So so that's what I got. Also, local events is like a big thing that some of these top producers are putting out there. And I think this one is something that's in Hendersonville, and it's a free concert, and it sounds really cool. And you can put like, this is going to be awesome. Like, I just tried to put a smiley face, but it didn't populate. I'm like, who else is going to be there? Okay. And so once again, we're going to schedule this for Thursday. And let's see what time is best for Thursday. Let's see. Looks like 2 o'clock again, or at 10. Let's switch it up and we'll do 10 o'clock. And if you switch it up like this, you can just kind of like also test the water to see like which one is actually the best, which one's working best for you. So like you might get a lot more likes in the morning or in the afternoon on certain days, and then so you can kind of gauge like how you want to like what time you want to do it, like going forward on those days of the week, if you find out you get more engagement at certain times than others. So I'm just going off what the study said. There we go. It's kind of slow to populate here. There we go. Okay. See if this one works this time. Yeah, for some reason it's making me put them in twice. All right, so we've got 4 days so far, and then we'll go ahead and make that last day really quick. Schedule a post. All right, guys, let me see here. Here's one. Like I said, the family pictures really go a long way. So this is Preston and his beautiful wife, Ellen. You say, I have the best partner in crime, y'all. Something sweet, something mushy. And then he can tag his wife in it as well if he wants. And again, just go ahead and schedule that for a week out. And let's see the best time for Fridays. Look at this. See how much it changes throughout the week. Most of the time it's in the afternoon, and then here it's 9 and 10 o'clock in the morning. So we'll do 9 o'clock. Like I said, just again to test the waters for different times. And Preston, is this not true? Is Ellen not the best? She is so awesome, y'all. I hope everybody gets to meet her. Let's see here. All right, it's making me do it again. So I guess it just wants to double check to make sure that you're choosing the time that you really want. And make sure to look at the AM and PM, y'all. I think some of those I might have scheduled for PM, not looking at the AM or PM over here. So just make sure you look at that. And here we go. Wow. You guys see how easy this is? You can do this on a Sunday night in 15 minutes. You can like sum up your weekend. Like I said, put some funny stuff about what happened with football that weekend. Just find some mortgage memes, find some stuff on Mona, anything. And then you've got 5 days worth of posts. You don't even have to get on here and log in and keep up. And look, it has the times. It has when everything's set up. And then like if you ever want to go back and edit it, like I said, you can go back in here and just say, oh, I think I missed something on here. Let me just look. And then go in here to edit. And like I said, you can publish it right away or change any of these things. But then you can also actually edit the post. Oh, I think that was just the time, but you can edit it up here too. And see edit post right there, and then you would go in and you can change some stuff up if you wanted to. So anyways, guys, that is how you set up your post for the week on Facebook. So it's quick and easy, and it's going to be very effective. And like I said, you can also track all the progress of your post if you go back to some of those other pages that we discussed before, like your publishing tool. And you can see like how many people you're reaching and all the clicks that you're getting, and just anything. But anyways, it's a really great tool, guys. And like I said, other people are doing really great. I also want you guys to check out some other pages. This is the girl that I sent y'all today that started out as a receptionist, and now she is the #1 female loan officer in the country. So just check her Facebook page out, guys, because she's not just mortgages. Look at this, 610 likes on a post she made about her son who just turned 1 year old. And then here's a mortgage post, 82 likes. So that is a lot of likes. She has a huge following, but at the same time, like 610 people out of the 1,098, over 50% of her followers like that post. That's huge, guys. So that just tells you, make it personable, make it fun, but make it who you are. Brand yourself and make sure all of it's positive and just something that you want to represent you. Think about the things that you like that you see on other people's posts, guys. Like the things that make you laugh, the things that you will like or love on there is probably something that other people are looking for coming on Facebook to look for, something to inspire them, something to uplift them, and you could be that person, guys. Mainly, as always, stay in front of your audience and just post on your Facebook every day. All right.